guys, it's Allie here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Coptic punch on the multi-cinch. We're going to be working with the Coptic punch, so we're going to go ahead and insert that in the multi-cinch. And then since we're doing inside pages first, we're going to add this alignment guide to help us get the right punches on the pages. So when you're making a Coptic book, you make sections called signatures, and that's just 3 or 4, maybe 5 pages that are bunched together like this. So I've already gone ahead and punched these inner pages. I'm just going to punch this pattern paper, and we're just going to center it using the centering line right here. We're going to punch. And then I'm just going to move this down and align this with this alignment guide right here. Push that down and then punch. And then we're going to flip it over and just do the same thing. So now we're ready to punch the cover. So we're going to take out this page alignment guide. Again, we're just going to center this using the centering line and punch. And then we'll go ahead and use the same process. All right, now that we've got that punched, we're ready to stitch everything together. So I've already stitched together 5 other signatures and the back cover. Now we're going to add the last signature and the front cover, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're using some linen thread, and we're using a special needle that's made for Coptic stitching, but you can also just use a regular embroidery needle. So the first step is I'm just going to clip this together to keep it from moving while I'm stitching it. Then you're going to take your needle and come into the top hole from the back right up through the middle here. The next thing you're going to do is go down to the second hole here and go out. Then you're going to take the needle and you're going to loop around the last signature that you stitched. Pull that tight, and then you're going to go back in through that same hole. You're going to repeat that process all the way down until you get to the end. So now that we've looped around this last signature, instead of going back through that hole there, we're going to grab the cover and we're going to go underneath and then do the same thing again. And now we're going to loop around the last signature. And we'll do that one more time to make it nice and secure. Then we'll feed this back inside. Pull it nice and tight, and then we're going to go in through this inside hole here for the next hole up. And then we'll do that again. And then we will loop around the last signature, feed that back inside, pull tight, and then we're going in through that next hole. And you keep repeating that process until the end. So I've gone ahead and finished this last hole with the second loop. I've gone through 2 times, and now I'm going to go through and grab that last signature. We're going to do that loop twice and tie it in a knot just like you would if you're stitching on a piece of fabric. And then we'll cut the excess, and there is our Coptic bound book. Take a look. We've got all our signatures inside there. We've got some pattern paper and some regular copy paper, and it looks lovely. I hope this helped you feel confident using the Coptic punch on your multi-cinch. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for joining me. I'm Allie for We Are Makers.